Character is not cut in marble, it is not something solid and unalterable. It is something living and changing, and may become. Of all tools used in the shadow of the moon, men are most apt to get out of order. But what we call our despair is often only the painful eagerness of unfed hope. It is a hopeless endeavor to attract people to a theater unless they can be first brought to believe that they will never get into it. Mere color, unspoiled by meaning, and unallied with definite form, can speak to the soul in 1,000 different ways. Any nobleness begins at once to refine a man's features, any meanness or sensuality to embrit them. You must live in the present, launch yourself on every wave, find your eternity in each moment. I'd rather look ridiculous when everybody else does than plain and sensible all by myself. How cunningly nature hides every wrinkle of her inconceivable antiquity under roses and violets and morning dew. Those who make peaceful revolution impossible will make violent revolution inevitable.